안녕하세요 guys. So today I'm going to try to vlog about spending a day living like a Korean. So good morning guys. So after I wash my face and I'm going to have my breakfast, and my breakfast is mandu, a Korean dumpling. So top it with rice and soy sauce as my dipping sauce. And after breakfast, so it's time for milk with my favorite character from BTS, V. So after my breakfast, I'm going to prepare because I'm heading out to Seoul Stay, where I'll be having a traditional workshop on making Korean stuff. So see you guys later. So I'm going to have makeup, a simple makeup, because I like it to be simple. First, I'm going to use tint or a skin tint from BLK because I like having it to be thinly as possible. Next is blusher. So this blusher is from Face Shop, which is one of my favorite cosmetics brands in Korea. Next is Multi Balm from Gahi. You know this makeup because you've seen this a lot in Korean dramas. So I use this in order to achieve a glass looking skin. Next is Universal Color Stick from BLK because this product you can use it as your eyeshadow, blusher, or even lipstick. So that's why I love using this product. Next, I'm using eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. I like this product because it is easy to use and it is waterproof. So that's it for my simple makeup. Now we are here at Seoul Stay, where we'll be having a workshop on making Korean traditional stamp.
Gumagawa kami ng kini-curve namin yung name namin. I think I got wrong curving.
Okay, let's see later.
Hey, we're done! I know how to curve!
Ano masasabi?
Hirap pala to. Kaya parang laro-laro lang siya.
Pero nakaka-release ng stress.
Oo nga eh. Ayan yung oh, diba guys? Wow.
Oh, you're done. Okay, let's check
Check the...
there together.
Tama.
What is that?
Diba guys?
Saan mo sa akin yan? Yan ang finished product ng aking stamp. Barbie. Barbie, pangalan ko is stamp. This is my stamp. Barbie. This is the case. After the workshop, we were given iced tea and hot dog. And one of my favorite Korean snacks. Hi guys, so we are here in Seoul Stay.
Hello! This is a Korea and Binangonan, Rizal.
Kasi pumunta kami dito dahil gawa kami ng traditional Korean stamp.
Traditional Korean stamp.
So, nasaktan kami. Nabigo siya.
Nasaktan ako, nabigo ako, ang aking mga kamay, ang palad ko.
Ang Seoul Stay ay isang glamping or camping site here in Cardona, Rizal.
Cardona, Rizal.
Pero in fairness, maganda din.
Maganda siya.
Yeah. Aside from tent, they also have Hanok Villa, which is somewhat like the Hanok, which is a traditional house in Korea. It will be a wonderful experience to stay for one night. Overall, it was a wonderful experience in Seoul Stay here in Cardona, Rizal, as well as making Korean traditional stamp. So, yun lang. Uwi na kami. At gabi na.
Thank you, Virgil.
Sunod ulit.
Bye!